Hi, this is Matt from Lost Creek Machine. This is a Clausing 4914 belt drive lathe. It has a 10-inch swing and it's 36 inches between centers. It is belt drive. The motor is single phase, currently wired for 220 volts. It comes with a micrometer carriage stop, 6-inch 3-jaw, import quick change tool post. I have the thread dial. Tailstock is a Morse taper number 2. Comes with a steady rest, 6-inch 4-jaw, faceplate. The spindle thread is 1 3/4 8. Have it in direct drive. Power crossfeed. You can reverse the spindle. Little tough to get that out, to put it in back gear. Thanks for looking.